As you may have noticed, there was no Wera video yesterday. To make the end a little more special, I thought I'd open doors 22, 23 and 24 all in one video. Let's see what's behind them. Welcome. Let's start with door 22. Okay, are you ready? Ta-da! A bit. And this is what we got. X plus bit, again, a large one. 6 times 89, the largest one so far. Let's see if you can see anything. Pretty large. That's the first door. Let's go to door number 23. And here we have the next door, door 23, and it's pretty large actually. So this is going to be really exciting. Let's see what it is. Okay, it's open. Ooh, another screwdriver. Nice. Pry bar. And this is what we got in door 23. It's a Torx 20. And it's Wera 367. Looks something like that. Nice, nice. A little spin maybe. Got the 20 up here. Another screwdriver for the collection. Now to the last door. Ooh, this is exciting. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a strange shape on the door. And this being the last door has to be something special. So let's see. Let's just dive on it. Okay, what do you think it is? Give me a best shot before I open. Okay, are you ready? Okay, something that the Germans like, I guess. So, this is what we got as the last thing. A bottle opener. A damn nice one. Just look at this steel. Shiny. And you get the wear mark there and feels really nice. And the same theme, red and black. Okay, that's the last thing in the Wera Advent Calendar 25. So I thought that we can do some other stuff too. We could check the box that the calendar came in. The back side has some information that I haven't shown you. So let's look at that one. This is the box that the calendar came in. And here you have the front side of it. Flip it around and we have the back. And here we have the past calendars and content, of course. So we can look at the old calendars here. They started at 2010 and had one each year with different types of stuff. So I'm pretty late to the Wera party. But yeah, maybe I should join next year also. What do you think? Should I do this again? Maybe not open one door every day, but maybe every second day or so. That could be a nice idea. Okay, and here we have the innehalt, or the content. So you see we have the pH ones, the PZ torques, and of course the large ass flathead, the screw grippers, the hex plus bits, and this weird bit holder, and of course the bottle opener, the electrician ones, the small ones, the stubby ones, and the rack, 2 times rack. Maybe we could take a last look of the content in real life. So this is what we got. All the stuff. We got 10 of these super nice screwdrivers with the laser tip. And of course the stubbies. 1 flat and 1 pH. And of course the bit holder, the T-grip, the nice bottle opener. This I have to try someday. A warm day, maybe try some nice bottle cola. Because I don't drink beer, so. What? 2 of these. Extremely yellow ones. And the small ones. 2 flatheads. 1 Phillips. And the spinny thingy. Really nice. And of course the bits. From small to large. This one is actually really large. Cool. I have to try them also someday. Then we have the racks, but as I said before, I was not so satisfied because I want some type of marking where everything should go. Because now I have no idea. Here it's like trial and error. The price was 595 Swedish kronor. And I guess one of these goes for from 50 to 100 Swedish kronor. So yeah, it's worth the price. We could do one last thing and test one of these. So I put this inside here. Then you take a screw. Put it in like this, push it like that, and it's in. Really well. Okay, that's nice. Maybe we can try it out. Yeah, this is nice. Let's see what it does now. Okay. Pushes the holder up. Nice. That was really nice. I recommend this. Without it, this one has the laser tip, so it kind of grabs on the screw, but you see it drops instantly, almost. And with this, like 100 times better. Lovely little thing. So, this is it for the last episode. I've had lots of fun. This has been some type of experiment for me, I guess. I have to talk a lot and I'm not comfortable with that, but I try my best. And I hope you guys had some fun watching it, and let's do this next year again, hopefully. So, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.